Isang araw, I received an email. They wanted me to be in this university, best for people in medical field, thinking that I am smart enough. Nakinig ako sa kanila. Confident sila that I was gonna get in. Because of this, I felt pressured. So nung nalaman ko na hindi ako nakapasa, I was so scared that I used the method that worked before. Ginamit ko ang time watch. Nagamit ko na to dati para iba ang test scores ko. But this time, no matter how much I changed the outcome, iba-iba ang pangyayari. To the point that I even cheated again. Found out the answers. But when I was back, failed pa rin ang kinalabasan. Even realized that every time na bumabalik ako sa past para tignan ang mga sagot, naiiba-iba ang mga sagot. So I just thought it was pointless to use the time watch. So, sinulugan ko na muna ito. Ba't may napanaginipan ako? Stop it. Time watch? What the fuck? Relax! Ako to, ikaw sa future. Paano ka nandito? Ayan oh. Natulog lang ako, biglang nisturbo. Ano gusto mo? I don't even have a time watch. Shit. Oh, you give me the chills. What the fuck is happening now? Ikaw, init. Yeah, you're here as well. Oh, yeah. Saan pa ba pwede mag-hide dito? Hello? Yep, hindi lang basta time watch yan.
This is where the past breaks cool. Monster chase, monster race, monster face. Trapped in time and space, monster fate. We're calling first goodbye. Monster trace, monster case, monster case. Monster haze, monster chase. Where broken echoes lie.
Is he the one in my dream? Who are you?